This is what we're going to make today. Unfortunately, we had a family pet pass away this week, and so we made this to mark where we buried her. And it's just a piece of granite tile that bought at Home Depot for about $5. And then you need a sandblaster in order to be able to do this. But if you have an air compressor or access to one and you don't have a sandblaster, you can get them online really cheap. I'll put some down in the description for you. People seem to really appreciate it when I put items that I use down in there, so maybe that'll help you. If you've already got a sandblaster, then you're all ready to go. So let's get started. So here's our sheets right off the printer, and you've got to trim along the lines in order to put it all together. So we're lining up our X that we put in the middle to help mark it, and then our little hash marks where it printed on there for us. Alright, so here's our granite tile, and this is a 3/8 by 1 foot by 1 foot, and you could use any size that you want. As a matter of fact, if you used a smaller tile, you know that a piece of paper would fit over the top of. You wouldn't have to join it all together. But all I'm doing right now is I'm just taking some Windex and being sure I got a good clean surface so my contact paper will stick. Now this is just plain old contact paper. I bought this at Walmart. This is clear, but there's no reason to use clear. You can use whatever they've got. The thicker it is, the better. So now we're just going to cut a piece big enough to cover this. Alright, so now we've got to get the contact paper on here. And this is a lot easier to do with some help. You want to leave it oversized just a little bit, your contact paper. If I grab that. Okay, so then keep that in high. Yeah. And just start it on one edge. Alright, in order to stick this down, if you'll just sort of do it like this, working your way across, you won't have to worry about any bubbles forming. Alright, so I'll put some newspaper down, and we're just going to lay this on top. Just get it centered as best you can and straight. And then on one edge, I'm going to put a couple of pieces of tape. Like that. Then we're going to take some spray adhesive. This is just some Loctite, but I would use whatever I had. If I had something different, I would be using that. And just spray both surfaces, and then just like you did on the contact paper, you want to sort of lay this down so you're not getting any kind of air bubbles in there. Just like that. And now we just need to take an X-Acto knife and cut out everything that's black. Okay, so now I've got it in my sandblasting cabinet, and I've got a review of this cabinet on a video if you're interested in that. But you just want to put it up against the side, and when you shoot the sand at it, you want to try to go at at a 90-degree angle straight into it. And we're not looking to really get a whole lot of depth here. We're really mainly looking to just knock the shine off. Is really all you have to do to make it look right. So here's what it looks like directly out of the sandblaster. Just kind of gave you a close-up there to show you the detail. So the next thing we just got to do is get all of this peeled off of here. Well, that's got it finished. I hope you enjoyed this project. I do hope you don't have need of this project. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this and turn it into a tombstone. But you could use it just like this, attach it to a rock or concrete or something like that. Anyway, thank you for watching.